Hello students, grade 7 chapter 1 mathematics. Properties of integers. First property is commutative property. This property says a plus b is equal to b plus a. A and b are two numbers. We can take any two numbers, any two integers. For example, I take 2 and 4. So what is this property? This property says 2 plus 4 is equal to 4 plus 2. It means if we add two integers in any order doesn't matter. If we add two integers, then the result will be same. See, 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and 4 plus 2 is also equal to 6. So the result is same in both the cases. इट मीन्स हम कोई भी दो नंबर्स को किसी भी ऑर्डर में ऐड करते हैं तो आंसर सेम ही आता है. बट दिस प्रॉपर्टी इट डजंट होल्ड फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. इट मीन्स a माइनस b इज नॉट इक्वल टू b माइनस a. दिस प्रॉपर्टी डजंट होल्ड फॉर सब्ट्रैक्शन. वी कैन नॉट से a माइनस b इज इक्वल टू b माइनस a. दिस प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड्स फॉर ओनली एडिशन and multiplication. Second property is associative property. This property says a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. Here there are three numbers a, b and c. A, b and c are numbers. We can take any numbers. Suppose I take a 2, b 4 and c 6. So what this property says? This property says that if I first add these two, पहले मैं ये दो numbers को अगर ऐड करती हूँ 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 and then plus 6. In this case I am adding first these two numbers 2 and 4 which is equal to 6. 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. Now here on this side I am not adding 2 and 4. This time I am adding first 4 and 6. So 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Now 2 plus 10 is equal to 12. See, the answer is same in both the cases. So what is associative property? This property says if there are three numbers written, so we can add in any order. पहले हम ये दो numbers को add करते हैं या फिर ये दो numbers को add करते हैं. A और B को first add करते हैं या फिर B और C को पहले add करते हैं. दोनों ही केस में आंसर will be the same. Third property is distributive property. This property says a multiply b plus c is equal to a multiply b plus a multiply c. If this is given, we can write it in that form. See, in this, which one is common? A is common. So we can take out the common. A is common, तो A को ब्रैकेट से बाहर निकाल सकते हैं. ब्रैकेट से बाहर A को लिख सकते हैं. Then A को ब्रैकेट से बाहर लिया तो ब्रैकेट के अंदर बचता है B plus C. If I write this property for, see, if this is given, I give you an example. A, B and C are three numbers. Suppose there are three numbers given. A is 2. A is 2, B is equal to 4 and C is equal to 6. A 2, B 4, what is A 2 and C is 6. Suppose this is given. Now which is common? 2 is common. So we can take out this common. ये कॉमन को हम ब्रैकेट से बाहर लिख सकते हैं और यहाँ पर आएगा मल्टीप्लाई साइन. देन व्हाट विल बी द लेफ्ट? 4 and here 6. Whichever is the common, we can take out the common. 2 is common, so we have written 2 outside of the bracket. 2 multiplied by 4 plus 6. So this is equal to this. Distributive property says. Then additive property. Additive property is very simple, you all know this. A plus 0 is equal to A. A is any number. Suppose it is 6. So 6 plus 0 is equal to, किसी भी नंबर में 0 को ऐड करेंगे, then what will we get? We will get the number itself. 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. This is additive property. Now we will solve these two questions. We have to solve the questions based upon these properties. We have to solve this using these properties. We have to use the properties to solve these questions. Why we are using these properties? What is the benefit of using these properties? See, here in this question, 26 multiply minus 48. If we do the multiplication, then the calculation will become very hard. So to make the calculation simpler, we use the properties. You will see that our calculation will become very simple by using these properties. See, in this question, we have to check that which property we can apply. This we have to check by ourselves. See, here first term and second term, we can clearly see, then one thing is common. Which is common? Minus 48. Minus 48 is common in both the terms. So which property we can apply? We can apply distributive property. We have seen that we take out the common in distributive property. So we will apply using distributive property. So what this property says, that we can take out the common. What is common? Minus 48. Minus 48 is written here and here also. So minus 48 is common. So take out minus 48. Then what will be left in the bracket? Here 26. Here minus 36. So first we will solve the bracket, then we will multiply according to the BODMAS rule. First we have to solve the bracket, then you have to multiply. Solve the bracket. 26 minus 36 will be equal to minus 10. Now 48 multiplied by 10 is 480. And what will be the sign? Minus and minus becomes plus. So plus 48 will be our answer. See, you can see that by using this property, our calculation becomes very simple. We have solved it without any hard calculation. Otherwise, if you have to multiply 26 multiply 48, then 36 multiply 48, then the calculation would have become very hard. Now second question we will solve by using the properties only. 7 multiplied by 50 minus 2. Which property we will apply? In this also we will apply distributive property. See, 7 is written outside bracket. If we have to take it inside, then we have to multiply it by 50 and then by 2. First 7 multiplied by 50 then 7 multiplied by minus 2. This is distributive property. So 7 multiplied by 50 is equal to 350, and 7 multiplied by minus 2 is equal to minus 14, and 350 minus 14 is equal to 336. This will be the answer. So we have solved this question without any bigger calculation, because we have applied properties, so the calculation become very simple. Practice this type of question and solve the assignment given to you. Goodbye.